YouTubes. Good morning on the YouTubes. There we go. All right, this is our stream for trading, right? Stream for trading. Let's go. What did I want to look at here? We pop this out here. We pop out chat so we get everything going for you guys this morning. And then we'll get everything lined up and we'll get looking at our charts. All right, so we are good here. Let me go back to my channel here. Back to my channel. I want to go to my channel. There we go. I want to go to my live. There we go. We're going to watch now. We're going to mute this here. All right. And that should be it. I should be able to pop this chat out. Ugh. You know, it's morning. Mornings are rough. Mornings are rough. Feel a little congested this morning. That's good. It's always good to be a little congested, you know. Just a little upset, a little congested. All right, we're going to pop out this chat. We got all of our data right there. Right there. Not much more you could ask for there. All right, let's give ourselves a Google screen and we'll get going. Popping open Trade Evade this morning. We're logging in. See if we got any news. Good there with the clockses. The clockses are good. So yep, we're just seeing if we got any news. We're a little off VWAP. Hopefully we don't have a VWAP open this morning. It looks like we had a little bit of a trend going on here. Can't really draw a solid line through it, but I can on the hourly maybe. Let's get this line built here. Something like this, right? 1, 2, 3. There's 3 points there. It's pretty strong. Pretty strong, so let's kind of pay attention to that. I mean, it could be here too on the 5-minute, right? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. See, I'm going to give it that. That and the 5, right? Yeah, we'll give it that. That looks good. So can I draw down my 1-minute chart as well? Well, remember, scroll back for the VWAPs, right? Scroll back for the VWAPs. Don't want to make that mistake. Nah, it doesn't really hurt me because I don't trade that too much, but definitely a strong line right there, right? You see all the touches on that line? Whew. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches on that line. So that line is very strong. Really expect kind of a pullback right here, right? Let's see if that happens from a technical standpoint. That would be nice. I'd be happy. All right, so I'm looking for this to pull down, drop down, and come down into that box there. And that would be a very strong buy for me, in my opinion. I'll do that roughly about open, give or take. I just can't trade it. I'm not allowed to trade it. Again, my rules are pretty simple. I follow my strategy. Goal is to make money faster than I lose it. Alright, really ain't much to it. But it would be interesting to see something bounce off that spot. I will have multiple lanes. I like to call them lanes, right? Like we got a lane here. You can see all the bounces that hit that spot. We got a lane here. Right? And then we have, of course, the main trend right here. Forgot to shut my wife's door, so she no longer loves me. So there's that. That happened this morning, you know. That happened this morning. So what else we got going on? I know I'm live. I know everything's good. No, everything's working. Working like it should. Alright. So, let's check news. News is also an impact on my life here. We had U.S. housing starts. Those were a little higher. That's a little optimistic right there. U.S. building permit numbers were lower. U.S. housing starts change month over month was lower. U.S. building permits change month over month was lower. We got speakers today. Not the main guys, so that's good, right? October 20th, that's Sunday. Monday, looks like we have no news. Tuesday, we have no news. Wednesday, we have, BOC rate decision. Look at that is. Looks like it's going to have an impact, though, right? Oh, yeah, I can keep an eye on that. All right. All right, there's not much going on. Ooh, oofta. Oofta, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What's this all about? Very brutal there. Very brutal. That's much worse than I thought it'd be. What? Let's take a look at some news here, right? Usually this will show me, but I don't see anything there that's popping out at me. There was no 9:30 news, right? No. I do like to look at Twitter for my news most of the time. White dudes for Harris, huh? That's something. That's something. Where's Weirdo? Brent, UAPs. Back. That guy's back. News. I'm not seeing anything that's really too crazy. Gold? What's going on with gold? So gold's breaking a new high, right? So gold's higher than it's ever been. But that's to be expected. We did find support pretty close to this resistance here, right? The support line. I would have drew my line kind of like right in this area. So I would have been a little short of that line. I'm still kind of respecting this stuff. This thing here on the 1 minute, oofda, doofy doo. If you like pizza, it likes you too. Draw a new line right here. Right, that's that, from that point to that point, it's just not as pretty on this chart as it was on the other one. But definitely a lot of sellers, right? So we have this point, and I want to lock in this point here. We'll just kind of leave that and play for right now on the 1 minute, just to give us some perspective. Give us some perspective. Alright, whatever caused that smart drop, that was kind of unexpected, really. Really thought we'd have a bounce on that line. I didn't see that candle form. So I don't know if we got a little movement with a pop and continuation, but that's a really large candle. Really large candle. That was 58, 60 points there, 70 points on that candle. That 1 minute candle. This is why we avoid the open. Truth be told, this is why we wait to trade. I say we mainly because I have multiple personalities, not because people actually watch my stream. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this to 7. All right. 7, boom. Our goal is to get $500 before we lose 1,000. We give ourselves that extra wiggle room because it just seems like we need it. Maybe a line here. We just draw lines to kind of give us framework. So the lines make framework, right? They don't necessarily make trends. That's kind of like a framework of what I see currently. All right, so that's pretty brutal right there. Pretty brutal on both ends. I believe that's the next candle will be the open. We'll see which way we're going. I do wait for my plan in the morning. I don't try to rush it, but I don't know. I mean, let's see what would have happened, right? So I'd be able to go bearish here. Whoop, there we go. All the way down the VWAP, right? That would be crazy. That would be a crazy open. All right, because each one of these is 100. So on the one thing, so I would have been in here. It's 100, 200, 300, 400, right? But this could quickly flip around. We did break that line, but we are finding support there. Again, if you had a buy at this line, makes a lot of sense, right? We bounced off it all morning, but you would have had to give yourself a pretty wide stop there. All right, and that's pulling back up. We're just kind of looking for future reference where that would put us. Where that would put us. We're still red on the chart over there. We did close right on that line. So let's see if the bullishness can come back in. Again, we don't make a trade until 9:45, but we'll talk about potential trades. Of course, of course. If I was in this trade right now, right, just to kind of see how it would play out. Let's give myself a nice green line here. Oh. Apply, save. So I would be in this trade at this point, right? Because this is the open. So I'm in this trade at this point, and my stop is currently non-existent. We're going to find out, though. We're going to find out where it stops out. Let's draw one more line here. The second line is going to be our stop line today. Right? We'll discuss this a little further as the trading day goes on. And on and on and on. Or I might not have time to discuss it, and you'll just never know. So right now we are bouncing back to the green side, right? So the first trade of the day, I would have been short right here. That's 10 in between them, so it'll be about 100 if it closed right now, right? Okay, I would have closed 100 and I'd be bullish again. So I'd be bullish at this point, based off this. So I'd be ahead. I would be ahead. Now we are kind of bouncing off the VWAP line. That other line we talked about. I'd be about plus 100 at this point with my strategy, right? Nothing changes here. I think my dog wants out. It does. It does. We'd still be in this trade bullish, right? Here we go. It looks like we're going to flip back bearish. All right, give me 1 sec. I'm going to go let the dog out. Who let the dogs out? Nope, I wasn't even talking. All right. We got 7, a couple more minutes before we get into the trading here. Pop. So let's take a look. So if we pop to red here, and kind of show you where my stop will go. My target is going to be basically where I need to get to make my profit for the day. Right, so where that stock needs to move. So if we're green right here, right, we're green. We're going to take this. All right, so we're green. We got in about right here. Let's say we got in here. It's just easier. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. I would need to trade up to about this point to be in the money. And my current stop would be right here. So let's see if this trade would actually pan out and give us Give us our money for today. We're getting kind of stalled out. Slowing down. Slowing down. And do a little research on the side here while we're kind of waiting for the day to progress. Right, there's nothing, no change for me. Right, we're just waiting for that first trade to happen here in about 5 minutes. We're gonna look up some with safe survival, right? Oh, I think your ride's here, honey. Oh, I would have had to flip to the red one time there and then back. Not really picking the directions. It's kind of choppy, but we'll see what happens coming at 9:45 mark. My dog is losing its mind, people. My dog is not happy. So we are popping green pretty good here. Definitely made up that little bit of a loss thing. Again, this wouldn't be the end because I would have been knocked out here, right? And I'd be back into this trade about here. Bullish. So I would need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to get to the high of the day to make it worth my while. We got 3 minutes before we can trade. Again, if you have any questions or anything about trading, feel free to put them up. Right, so we're just kind of looking for we don't want maps. We want, like, I was playing Minecraft, right? And I just want something simple. Something simple. Right? I ended up getting a lot of followers on, well, not a lot, but a lot for me. Probably a good 25% increase in followers last night just playing Minecraft, you know? You guys don't give a shit about trading, apparently. So, this old man's got to play some Minecraft to get some people there, you know? I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. People don't want to watch people make money or lose money. in most cases. But that's fine. Whatever. Whatever. I'll play Minecraft. I don't care. I don't care. You be that way. You be that way. So there's a bunch of sponsored stuff here. Huh. Like I want I want just some stuff, right? Yeah, see, I don't want unique challenges and stuff. I want the base game. Right? That's what they want. Well, oh, we're good to trade here, by the way. I mean, we're not trading now, but we are good to trade, so we're kind of looking for the next rotation to the red. We get a red candle, we're going to be in the sell. We're going to sell, and we're going to get going. Right, what else we got going on? So we definitely made kind of a turnaround from this morning, making up this little goof here. Right, I got lines on my chart. I'm just going to move them for now. Oh, we did kind of hold up here a little bit, so that's good. But we got to the high of the day, and we basically weren't able to clear that. Right now we're looking for a stop below here. A close below that point, and I'll be able to get on it. Maybe we'll travel back down the VWAP. Or maybe not. We will see. We will see. See, I want some griefing though. We want some griefing. We want some base hunting. Right. Still haven't changed color, but we are possibly looking at flipping here in a minute. Get that red, get that close below this line, and we'll be going on. We'll be selling market. We'll be going. And then we'll see where we have to get to, right? We'll see where we have to get to. So that's by tens there, and this is 5, so each 5 is 50. Right, each 10's 100. We're looking good. We're looking good. We got 27 seconds. Oof, this is just a lot of red in this candle here. Like a little bit of a pullback up. What do we got showing here? We have the potential of doing a moving average cross to the downside, which would be fairly strong this early in the morning. That's a strong indicator for well, traders that are playing the moving average cross. You know, it's this thing. So we locked in red.
Order filled.
We're in. That pop and stuff didn't seem to line up, and the color change was a lot faster. I'll have to kind of pay attention to that. So here's our fill line, right? Our stop is still right here, and our target is going to be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Oof. Gonna get down to this point here, right? So I got to find a way to get to that point there. So let's get rid of this line because that doesn't let me get to that point there. And here we go. We're in the trade. We are in the trade. And so let me just double check that really quick. That just seems like a lot. I mean, it could be possible, right? Yeah, that seems like a lot. Right, so we got in right there. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so we need to get down to there. We're still red. We have locked in a little bit more for the window of opportunity, which ain't here yet, but we'll see if we get it. See if we get it. We're 150 up on the morning. Again, we just want a simple cash me out. You know what I'm saying? We're 300 up on all accounts we're trading right now. We do have a nice move to the red candle. The red candle, nice move. We did form what appears to be a double top on the 5-minute. I mean, kind of a brutal double top, but it's there. Right, so the neckline of that double top is slightly below where I need to go. We do have to run through VWAP. And we should get that moving average cross here. We're flirting with it at the moment. You can see the green and the red. Red slightly there. We get a little bit more pull down here. We'll have that moving average cross to the downside. We're going to be able to lock in a window of opportunity, as I like to call it. So our window of opportunity, right, is between here and here. So any close between here and here is profitable. So we will see what happens here. Again, our target's still here, but if we have to close, we just flip over the other direction. Let's get the right amount of contracts up there. It's going to be 14 because I have to sell my 7, or buy back my 7 and then sell 7. No. Yeah, buy back my 7, then buy an additional 7. There we go. That's how that math works there. We're at 250. We're kind of hung up here, but we haven't done anything horrible. Nothing too scary. A little bit of a pull up. Don't know if we're going to lock in anymore. I don't really want to see a doji here. I definitely don't want to see a reversal. We're not that far off our target, people. Let's just get our target and get done. I got to get ready to buy market here.
Order filled.
We flipped green, as you see. So this is off slightly. This is off. My clock is off. My clock is off. Let's see. Clock. Settings. See, they've changed everything. They've done something. So I can't just look it up anymore. Right, I can't fix it. So I'm just gonna have to pay attention to that. We are still green, right? Oop. If we flip back to red, I gotta sell market. I gotta be ready for that. So we do have a possible red candle.
Order filled.
We sold market. So we're at 3 seconds off right now. Now here we go. I took a small loss there. We are only up 17 bucks right now, huh? Oof. Oofta, doofity doo. We're taking another loss. Oofta. So we're going back bullish. My stop is where it should be here, right? Yep, we're going back bullish. So I got to get ready to buy market again. It's going to be a long day, I can tell. This is going to be painful. Right, and with this clock thing messing me up, I'm not happy. I am not happy at all. Alright, so let's move this over here, and I'll mess with this over here. Okay, I get ready to buy market. Boom.
Order filled.
Alright, and I need to clock. Alright, we need to synchronize the clock, right? Alright, we are resynced. I don't know if that's going to be good. We are in calls, which we're supposed to be. We're not really getting anywhere with them, but we're in them. Our stop is right here. Right, and our target would be, we need about 700 at this point. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. We need to get right about here. So we got a ways to go. Got a ways to go. Doesn't mean it can't happen, but definitely got a ways to go. I didn't see the time change there, so I don't know if it worked. I don't know if I have to reset the software, which I could just quickly, should be able to do a quick reset this thing here. Alright, we are possibly locking in some profit. Right, that'll be nice. We'll lock in some profit. Looks like we got a little bit of an upward trend going on now. Alright, so it's not unheard of. I mean, it's not ideal, but we got two lines. Two lines make a line, right? Two points make a line. 3 points make a trend. So right now we got a line. And we're going to lock in a couple more green candles here on our thing. That looked much better timing there. Alright, so let's move this up. Our stop is now there. Again, not ideal, but we just traded our plan. Just trade our plan. That's all we could do. Again, if you have any questions or anything, concerns, feel free to type them in chat. Good morning. Good morning. We got a long way to climb here. Is it possible we could hit our target, right? Yeah, it's possible I could hit that target. Where's that target in relationship to everything? It's pretty far out. Pretty far out. Farther than I would like, for sure. But if we can get up there, I'm going to superimpose this up here, right? We can get up into there. It might be good. Definitely going to put some more, some distance here. Give us a window of opportunity to make a little bit of money. A little bit of money. So any close between here and here is a little bit. We're going to draw this bottom line back in. Alright, we're going to kind of say we're in this like channel-ish thing, right? Upward trend. Hasn't really confirmed. Nothing like that. We're just kind of looking at it. And it'd be interesting to see if we can get all the way up there. Log in a little bit more profits. We're about 135 ahead here. I need to get to 163 to break even at the moment. That's this total P&L. And again, I do have another account trading 2 contracts, so you don't see that, but that's here in the background. It's a much smaller account, not as exciting. We could take a quick look at that one now, see where that one's at. So that one's at 50,679, right? That one needs 65. It's a much safer account, like I was saying, much safer. You know, I'm just trying to figure out the right number of contracts. 5 is pretty rough. I get 2.5 bad days, I'm done. 2 bad days in a row, I'm done. You know, so I got to be careful with that. All right, here we go. We're pushing back down. This is going to take away our profit from this trade. We do have a small window that we can lock in some profit. I'm going to get ready to hit the sell market button. Hey, it looks like we're buying it up pretty good. Sell market here.
Order filled.
See how that candle turned red? I got to take that a little bit, right? So now our new stop is right in this area. Our new target would be, we now need 600. So our new target would be where would our new target be? Right there. So we need 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So we need to get down to here, right? That'd basically be our move. I think this will actually be a little lower. Be something like that. So I need this to get down to there. Does this seem like a viable spot? This honestly does seem kind of viable. Does seem kind of viable. Like potential. Well, we need to see that bearishness come in, right? We're having a war right now, and I'm paying for it. I'm paying for information on this war. Right, I want to get data. I want to know which way we're going. To break even, we need to get down about 100 points. So that'll literally be like right at VWAP. Well, it looks like we're going to pull back up here. Maybe not. Maybe not. Come on, bears. Swipe down that bull this morning. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Don't want to be trading all day. I mean, I got till noon, no matter how I look at it. So I'm either going to win, lose, or draw by noon. I would like to end on a high note for the week, you know. I would like to end on a high note for the week. Okay, we are still good. I mean, there's no change. We're still red. Here we go. The VWAPs might be an issue. People trying to hold it up at the VWAP there. Do we ever get that? Yeah, we got the moving average cross to the downside. So that meant nothing. That's exciting. Moving average cross just said, nope, nope. I mean nothing today. Nothing. I am going to destroy you. Destroy you. I said, okay. Okay. You do you, dude. You do you. Yep, so there's some painful right there by market, right? Painful by market.
Order filled.
All right, so now we need oh, jeez. We need a lot, people. We need a lot. Okay, our stop is here, so close below there, we're out. For this to work out right now, we need just to break even. Let's just focus on breaking even right now, right? So we need 100, 200, 300. So we need up to this line basically for a break even. So that'll be our break even point, right? So we want to break even there. And again, we're still in that channel that we were talking about, the upward channel. So if I was trading that, it'd be a pretty strong trade at this point. Get ready to sell market here just in case this pops. It did. Look at
Order
that.
filled.
Look at that, man. 337.50 down this morning, and we're bouncing back up. That's fantastic. Fantastic. Fantastic for the old bank account. Ugh. I would prefer not to be on the losing end this week, if I could help it. Right, that would be nice not to be on the losing end. Gotta get ready to buy market here if it flips back up. Alright, pretty much stayed strong, but there's a doji there. Let's move the stop. My stop is here. There's a possible, well, we do have that one line from earlier. Kind of making just a num-num. What else we got technical wise that we talk about? We do have the moving average cross to the downside, and that's opening up. Right, that's getting bigger. I don't know if that's going to hold, but that's definitely getting bigger. Our target right now to just break even is 100, 200, 300. We're looking at 400 for a break even, so we need to close below there. Looks like I'm going to be flipping back up. Gonna get ready for this buy market. Okay, it did not happen. So we're still in this trade. Again, pretty painful day. Pretty painful day. Not much commitment, you know what I mean? Now I'm going to keep this the same, but I could probably switch this out. So if I was to do... see, like, how much of a loss do you want to take, though? That's the other thing, right? Like, how much of a loss? The more I widen that, the more each trade will be a loss. Right, the higher the loss. So let's see what happens here. We are kind of in a interesting spot. Could we keep this red? No. So we're still okay. Still okay. All right. Looks like we might have some movement down. We weren't able to break that top, right? So that's good. That's good. That's strong. We do have to get way down here, though, for just breaking even. All right, so let me change this to yellow. So this is just for us to get even on the day. So let me get a horizontal line. So for us to get even on the day, we need 100, 200, 300, 400 roughly. All right, so that's just to get even on the day. We're experiencing some lumps and bumps today. Lumps and blumps. Lumps and blumps. Okay, got to get ready to buy market here if this turns green, which it did.
Order filled.
Okay, we're buying market one more time. Right, our stop is now here. So it closed below here. And for us to break even now, it's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Ouchies! And then another 500 on top of that. So that's just our break even. If we get to that point, we'll adjust it. But right now, we're just looking to get back to even, right? Looking to get back to even. That's all we want. Nice little even. Get us even. Or go the other way, right? Go the other way and knock us out again. Knock us out again. Be nice. Be nice, right? Sell market. Let's get ready. Oh, we're still good. We're still good. I need the bulls to start thrusting their horns up, right? Into that bear's belly. Get me up there to a high of a day. We broke that. That's good. All right. So we do have some momentum here. The break-even trade. Where's that line kind of line up? That's all right. Lines up into there. I mean, we are kind of in an uptrend there. Let's see. We're gonna get to the high of the day here. Let's see what happens at that point. Give us a little window of profit, right? But we still need to get to our break-even point before we can worry about making our profit for the day. Still got to get to that break-even. All right, we're going to move this on up. Probably right to here. Nope, they gave me that one, so our stop is now here. And we are touching high of the day territory. As you can see, the sellers are coming in a little bit. Take a look. It's been kind of a poop day, but let's take a look here. Go. So it's been kind of hard. We were up a little bit this morning, but then we took a pretty nasty, gnarly drop. Right? It looks like we're doing the same. Nice. Nice. So we're about to hit our stop. We do have a window of opportunity for a little bit of profit. We're not quite sure what this is going to do. We're just going to get ready to sell market. Hopefully we don't lose. Right? It's got about 13 seconds.
Order filled.
Yeah, I think we took a slight win there. Slight win, but now we're on the downside, right? And of course it's going the opposite way on us. Just a nasty trend. Nasty, slow trend. Really hard to play these. Really hard for my account. But we're 450 down on the day, so we need to recoup 450 before we break even. I can mark it. I don't think it's going to matter because I think I'm about to go more in the dumps here. But you never know. You never know. Right now, I'm going to have to be switcheroonian. I can get ready on this buy market button. Let's see what happens.
Order filled.
All right, we're back this way now. We are 600 behind, people. I need a lot of recovery here. A lot of recovery. Our stop is currently right here. All right, for us to break even, they're looking at what? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 650-ish. So like right here. It's a long way to go. Doable. I mean, it's doable, right? I got a resistance line right there. I'll be going right into that point of resistance, as you can see on the hourly. Let's see what happens. Let's just grind up and start making a little profit, right? Let's just start eating away at it. Start eating away at it. Just keep grinding up. Nope. Yep, nope. Be the little engine that could. Ugh. Man, just brutal. Brutal this morning. Brutal. Alright. Gonna have to accept it. Looks like we're going back down, right? Had that doji. Doji for the reversal. Makes sense. All makes sense. That's right at a support line pretty much. We're going to get ready to sell market here.
Order filled.
Alright, we're back the other way. Our stop is now below this point. So let's see, we're 750, so 2 more bad trades, we're out for sure. We need to start getting something more solid here. Yeah, we do have that moving average cross to the downside, but it doesn't mean much. It hasn't really manifested itself as anything of importance. Kind of dojing out here. Just a small grind, right? Small grind day is costly day. Small grind day is costly day. I am not going to give up on my trading plan, but it's not looking good for it, right?
Order filled.
There we go. We took another loss. We're at 812.30, people. 812.30. We're now on the buy side here. We lose about 170, 180. We're out, right? So we can't have a strong move to the bearish side right here. Cannot have a strong move. Do not do it. Do not do it. All right, guys. I don't know why
Order
we didn't
filled.
go out, but we're going to go right here. It's done. Got 30
Order
30
filled.
points. So one of them cashed out. The other one did not. This one did not knock me out yet. I believe the other account did. Right, because this still says I'm in the short position, so we're just going to hold on here. But again, it's going to be a losing day today. Losing day. Take a look and make sure this is, well, I'm going to stay here. Well, no, I don't. I won't even make it to the stop, right? The stop is right here right now. I won't make it to the stop. All right, still has barely hanging on. Barely hanging on. Here we go. So my one account stopped out. This one did not. Just want to make sure that the settings are in play for this one.
Order filled.
Okay, it's over. It's over, guys. I'm not happy with it. I'm not happy with it, but I'm going to have to accept it. I'm going to have to accept the loss. Well, let's see. I'm going to watch this for a little longer, probably another 15, 20 minutes, and then we will, not that long. I'll just accept the loss, right? I don't want to, but I have to. That's really frustrating. It's really frustrating. All right, next week's a new week. So, pretty much it, right? Not much else we can do here. We got our evals. Let's go today. I mean, you could look. Just wasn't strong. We didn't get it. We did not get it. Gonna highlight this, put it in my information. You know, the plan's been working great. Plan's been working good. It's not doing it. I'm not sure what changes I'll have to make over time, but I'll definitely be looking into some. You know, but for right now, I'm going to stick with the plan for the month at least. Let's get the data. We need the data. Right? We need the data on what the plan's doing. Right? Maybe we change our trading times, right? Maybe we trade later in the day. I don't know. I do not have an answer for you. Okay. Well, that's it, guys. You guys have a good one. I will catch you on Monday. Bye-bye.